In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M33, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this Samsung. First of all, you need to locate calendar app. When you find it, click on it. Then pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and create your event by selecting this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Now you can adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title. Select one of those emojis, I will go with birthday cake, and change its color. Over here you can pick starting hour and ending one. If you don't need to do that, you can always disable this feature as well by clicking on this sweater next all day. Then choose location, type in wherever you wish to or tap on a map. Choose one of those options, I will go with only this time. Type in an address and click on the correct one. Now click on Done at the bottom right corner. Over here you can pick your email address. Set up notifications, minutes, hours or weeks before your event. I will go with 2 weeks before. Go back. Choose Don't Repeat and tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, like every year. Now you can also select one of those options below it. Finally, you can take some notes, invite people, and save your event by choosing Save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully created. In order to edit it, click on it, tap on it over here and make your changes. You can discard them by choosing Cancel and clicking on Discard in the pop-up, or save them by tapping on Save. Then select one of those options, in my case all event in the series. If you wish to delete your event though, click on it, tap on Delete at the bottom right corner instead and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!